Hi guys, and welcome to
It's Smoothie and
Juicing Time. Fantastic. Now today we have got a very special video for you because what we're going to be doing.
Are we going to tell them about our special guest?
We've got a special guest. Do you wanna bring our special guest?
She's
Great.
a bit shy.
She's a bit shy, so bring our special guest.
New member of the family.
And what's her name?
Her name is Oreo.
So say hello, Oreo.
Hello.
Okay, so in this video what we're going to be doing is, this is an experiment video. We are going to be testing a slow juicer, also sometimes referred to as a cold press juicer, and a fast juicer, a centrifugal juicer. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out if we put the same ingredients in each of these, how is it going to taste like. So let's quickly go through how these operate. So this
also,
is like,
you could copy the recipe that we're using.
yeah, and if you want, you could either buy both of these juices as well. So first of all, let's just describe a little bit about the two different juices. So
I don't know, you would just say about that.
okay, this is like a mesh inside, and then inside that, let's just quickly get this all in there. There's one of these pieces in there. So what this does is goes in there and it turns around the fruit and squeezes it out.
It makes a lot of noise.
Yeah, this one is slow and makes a lot of noise. The next one, the fast juicer, is sometimes called, it's also called a centrifugal. What this one does is, this is like the mesh in there, and it spins so fast and the juice goes through there. Now, people say that the slow juicer is the best for extracting juices. You're going to get the best juice quality from that. And this one is fast, they're easier to clean, and
Can I have a bit of apple?
you can have one later. I'll give you an apple later. Because what we've got is, we don't want to sort of like change the balance of the ingredients, because we've got 2 apples of each has 2 apples, and then we've also got around about 130 grams of carrots.
I thought you was going to say 130 carrots.
130. There should be a plunger over it. Let me just quickly get.
Plunger?
Yeah, I call it a plunger. So, which one should we start off with? Should we start off with the slow juicer?
Yeah, the old one.
Or the new old one? Okay. Now for this one, give me all of these apples on this side, and the cucumber, I'm saying, the carrots.
We're using 7 sliced.
They're basically 8 slices of apples.
Oh, 8 slices.
Okay, so give me the apples. We've had to cut.
Okay.
We've had to cut the carrots, because on this one you can't put too much of them. So quickly, not yet.
Okay.
Also, the good thing about this one has a plunger, so it's pretty quiet now.
Yeah, actually it does have.
Look at it, and all the
It's so satisfying.
pulp comes out of this end. Quickly.
It smells terrible.
You can't smell it, man.
It's so satisfying, but it doesn't get crunch.
Yeah.
The carrots are going to be a bit loud, I guess.
Yeah. Let's put the carrots on here.
Man, they're very smart. I can't grab a lot of things.
Quick. To do this. Okay. Can you hear it sort of crunching it all slowly in there? Okay. So let's start this one. This one's going to be pretty loud, and I don't know how Oreo's going to like it.
Oh, should we take that to the room then?
Huh?
Should we take that to the room?
Let's see. If the door's open, you could go out. Okay.
Not that open, but okay.
Alright, let's leave it a little bit more open.
Or it's just like lying down beneath.
Okay, so we'll basically pause, turn that off. Do you know what? We should have counted how many seconds they take as well.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We're just going to do the taste today.
Yeah, we'll go for the taste. Alright. Hang on. Let me just plug this in.
Oh, we haven't even plugged it in yet.
Hang on. Ah! That's right. Oh my gosh. Hey, give me everything. Quick. See how everything's all coming out fine? Okay, the reason why I'm cutting the apples is because the shoot is small. I thought you can take a whole apple, but I was wrong. So let's just quickly push that in there. Just push it in there. Okay.
Epic.
Okay. So, do you want to point to the... Lift that up. One second. Let's just quickly turn this
Wait
around.
till it
Hang on. We can turn this around this way so it doesn't drip.
Oh,
So,
I can
let's
take
show.
out the street clip.
Look at that. Can you see the difference? Can you see? That one is much more orange. And that one is basically, it's like as if there's bits of water there. But it isn't. Okay. So, do the taste test. Because it's so fast, it makes it all frothy as well at the top.
Cool.
But when we pour it in there,
It looks exactly like that one.
the other one, because everything's all mixing into one. Okay. That's one.
Put in the comments if we should do a whole video about Oreo.
Okay. First, taste that one.
I'm scared.
Okay. Hold it with 2 hands. That's the centrifugal one, the fast juicer.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
I can taste more of the apple than the carrots. The aftertaste tastes like carrots.
Okay. Okay. Go like that. Get the taste out of your mouth. Which one tastes better?
I think this one, that one tastes a bit better to me.
I think taste more of the apples in this. This one,
It just tastes better to me.
I could taste more of the carrots. Let me just do another
I
thing.
like the apple flavour better. Hello, baby. Oh, do a lick my hand.
I think I'm gonna give this one all of my points. Which one are you gonna give all of your points to?
I like this one.
This one. Okay, we differ. Oh my gosh. Okay, so
This one looked epic while it was juicing and it tastes better to me.
tastes better. I think that one tastes better because the carrots come out much more better, and it's all kind of mixed together.
I like the apples more.
Everything's all the same. One of the main things is if you have this one, you can basically put it in an airtight jar and keep it for about 2 or 3 days and it'll still be fresh. So this one, you would need to basically, once you've done your juicing, literally within about an hour or so, have the juice, because it'll start to oxidize and it's not going to taste as great as it's basically if you have this one. Price wise, what you find is the fast juicers are going to be much cheaper and also more often than not easier to clean. But what I would suggest is, look, no matter whichever one you go for, they'll both do the job. Start off somewhere. Start off with any juice and then start juicing. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you think it's worthy of a share it. And what else should they do?
Oreo says subscribe.
And hit
hit
the notification button. And we should have more description for other recipes as well. So
And
until
say
the next
bye.
time, speak to you guys later. Bye.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is very big. Oh god, it's still recording.